Your projects demand precision. Your reputation relies on performance. But hidden moisture deep within concrete? That's a risk you can't afford to take. Moisture-related failures cost the industry billions every year, busting budgets and breaking trust. The solution? Rapid RH L6, the fastest, most reliable concrete moisture test system on the market. Why Rapid RH L6? It's simple. Unmatched speed to compliance with ASTM F2170 standards. Accurate, deep moisture readings tell you what is really going on beneath the surface of the slab. And with the Data Master L6 app, your data is logged, synced, and ready to share. Stop wasting time. Start testing smarter. With Rapid RH L6, you gain the confidence to move forward, on time, on budget, and with floors that last. Protect your projects, protect your reputation. Test with Rapid RH L6. Learn more at wagnermeters.com.